Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. My name is Alex, and I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can get more exposure on Google, outrank your competition, and of course get more customers. So let's start with your website here. And the first thing that I always recommend, I have to recommend in your case as well, is to add more relevant content. When I say content, I'm not just talking about the videos, the images, the icons here. I'm talking more about the text that your website has. When you add text, you should definitely add keywords that you want to be found for example, paving, contractors, um, uh, New York, for example, that would be one of them, or Suffolk County, New York. Again, I, this is basically we do this basically because Google, when they read through all your website, it's not that they have a person to do it. They have these programs, these robots, this technology that read through the whole thing, and for them to understand when you add this kind of keyword, for example, Long Island, Suffolk County, paving contractors, you have to surround it with relevant content so Google can actually understand that you are targeting for that specific keyword, that you are a paving company in Long Island, or you're serving as well, or the county and Nassau County as well. So that being said, I'm going to show you some numbers right now. And this tool that I use is called Ahrefs, and what this does, it picks data from your website based on Google criteria. So, for example, you're being found for 84 keywords, and you have 21 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website, your business, and this will give you power so you can be found on Google. So think about like a popularity contest, right? The more people you get to talk about you in a positive way, the more relevant you're going to become, the more relevant you're going to stay. This is what helps websites to rank. Um, so this is the same principle of being popular, but the difference is that not all links are created equal. So you can have hundreds and dozens of backlinks, but if they're not relevant, if they're not powerful, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you should have based on the content here on your website, you're not going to see the result that you probably are hoping to get. That being said, let's see what kind of keywords are you getting based on the content and the backlinks that are actually backing them up. And okay, you targeting your branding name, which is good. And see here, this is something you're getting found. You're being found for a keyword in Spain, and that's because probably the backlinks that you're using they're not really good quality, or probably whoever is doing that not really knows what it's doing. But we can see here, for example, Long Island driveways. There's 60 searches a month, and you're on the second page, so you're not getting any traffic for that. Um, Masonry repair Long Island. Can be a little bit tricky because I'm pretty sure that Long Island is not the only not the only areas in the United States. So you're getting 80. There's 80 searches a month, and you're in the fourth position, so you're getting 7 visits straight to your website. Now, you should be able to see if those 7 visits are actually people that are looking around the New York area. Um, what else do we have here? Let's see. Masonry, Long Island, New York. There's 30 searches a month, and you're almost on the third page, so you're not getting any traffic. So, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to take one of the keywords here, for example, Masonry contractor, Suffolk County, New York, which might be one of the keywords that you might be interested. And the first thing you're going to see here is the traditional Google ads. You pay every time somebody clicks on your ad, and a lot of people like to go this route along with normal marketing campaigns because this will bring more results immediately, if that makes sense. So if you choose to go this route, you gotta be really careful because if you don't know what you're doing, you can end up wasting a lot of money not seeing the results that you or your business is looking for. Then we have the map section, and again, this is based on the location. So in this case, you probably would be here if your profile would be optimized targeting that specific area, that specific county, and if you would have optimized images And most important, when you get reviews, you need to reply to those reviews. That's one of the things that Google loves to see. But again, if you're not in this page, in this top three, chances are that you're not going to be in this top three over here. So in the organic results, we got Yelp number one, which is a big directory. Then we have this Masonry.com. And we're going to see why they're ranking number two. What would you need to do so you can start competing with these guys? And what are the benefits of being this top two over here? So you can see that they're targeting a specific page, and this is what we open. So you can see here masonry contractors. So for this is a way to target this keyword. So you see that they're putting this keyword over here, and they're surrounding this keyword with a lot of content here. But this is very good news for you because there's not a lot of content here. So if you want to target this keyword, for example, um, you should just double the content that they have, and you can actually start seeing results in a short period of time. That's one of the things that most people don't understand. Relevant content is a really good help for any website. That being said, let's take a look and see the numbers on this specific page. You can see that there's nothing going on here. There's not really enough data to see. The rating is really low. And let's see the keywords that they're being found for example. And this one, 20 searches a month. And because they're ranking number two, number three was it was? Let me see. Yeah, number two is not updated, but they're getting 2 visits, which is not a lot because there's only 20 searches a month. But again, it depends on what areas you want to cover, what type of services you want to provide. It's not the same targeting Suffolk County that Albany, New York, for example, that will be having a lot more volume search, a lot of more possibilities. So these guys actually each month they have 2 chances just on this page. They only have 2 chances of getting new customers. If we look really quick on the whole page, let's take a look and see what kind of keywords they're targeting. It's kind of interesting. They're more of a landscaping company, I can see, but nothing too much of a volume here. Pool and patio, 400 searches a month. They're not even ranking there, so you can see that their quality links are not really helping them, and that can also play in your favor because if you would have really good links backing up your keywords, and of course, if you will have relevant content with the keywords that you want to be found for, this will be much different. But you can see, you can have a rough idea on the benefits of being ranking on those top 3 positions, top 2 positions when it comes to a Google search. I don't want to take too much of your time, so once again, my name is Alex. I hope you find this information useful. But if you have any questions, give us a call, send us an email, however it's easy for you. I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.